Hey there, it's Micah Mitchell. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Membarium with Infusionsoft's affiliate programs so that your affiliates can log directly into the membership site and get their resources in there and go and get their stats from within the membership site. So just to start from the beginning, typically with Infusionsoft, I'm in a campaign here and I've got a web form. All you would have to do typically is you would go to field snippets, you'd add on the partner snippet, it's going to ask for all these fields. And when you do it, it also pops up at you, and I'm double clicking here to bring it up, and asks you for some settings. What program are we putting them in? Are we removing them from programs? What about the notifications? All this good stuff is actually the same as it would normally be inside of Infusionsoft. So if you have additional questions about that, you can go and check some of their tutorials, but basically doing this would create the affiliate. And typically what happens if you weren't using Membarium is that you would send them an email with their affiliate username and their affiliate password. Now, if you're instead using Membarium for this, you would not do that. You would not send them their affiliate username or their affiliate password. What you would do is you would actually run regular membership delivery, just as if they had bought or signed up through a web form for a free membership. You would do the same kinds of things. So for example, I'm going to set them a password, and in this action set we've just put an HTTP post to set the password. And then just to make sure it's extra safe and has a little redundancy, I also put in a campaign builder HTTP post, and it's also setting the password. So this is just like any other membership action that you would do with Membarium. I'd give them a tag. In this case, I did a LearnDash affiliate tag because my test site here is a LearnDash site. So I'm saying, okay, you have a password, you have a tag that you're an affiliate, and then I go ahead and send you your member details. So again, all of this is the same as if they had done any other goal. Any goal, whether it be a free thing, a paid thing, or in this case, a referral partner sign up, can start a membership. Now, on the back end inside of Membarium, I did a couple things. I added a few pages and also membership levels. So I'll go to my memberships, and I'll also show you that under the sync options that I am synchronizing the affiliate records. So if you don't see sync options, you might just need to turn on the advanced options. On the dashboard will be a button that says yes or no whether or not you want advanced options on if they happen to be off in the version you're using. But you do need to make sure and sync affiliate records. And then again in the memberships, I just created a regular membership for these affiliates. As far as pages go, I have an affiliate sign up page where I put the form, and then I have an affiliate resources page. The affiliate sign up page is unprotected, and it simply has the JavaScript from Infusionsoft to show the web form, so it's pretty basic. The affiliate resources page, however, I did go ahead and protect, and I said, okay, it's only for affiliates. And then I put a few shortcodes onto this page, so I said your affiliate links, and I listed some links, and I should probably make these hyperlinks as well. So I'll copy the text of the link, make it a hyperlink, and do the same for this one. And what you can see in here is that I am merging the affiliate code into the link. And then at the bottom, this shortcode, the Memb Affiliate Login shortcode, will actually create a button for them that when they click it, takes them into the back end. So let's go to our test browser. I'll go ahead and update that. Let's go into a test browser. I'll go to Affiliate Signup, and I'll fill this out so you can kind of see what it does. So I'll say test LDA LearnDash affiliate, and I will copy that as the email at test.com. I'll make that the username, the password. I'll just say yes on these and I'll submit it. Now I got a generic thank you page, but let's just say it said something like, oh, thanks, congratulations, whatever, go check your email. If I go into Infusionsoft to look at what that person's going to get, let me open up a new Infusionsoft tab here, and we'll search for test LearnDash. And we did LDA right there, so I'll jump into that record. And so again, this is the contact record. If I wanted to open a new tab, and in my new tab here, if I wanted to search for the affiliate record, I could drop this down and search for the referral partner. And I apologize, I'll use affiliate and referral partner interchangeably because they're the same thing, and Infusion used to call them affiliates. In fact, their API still does call them affiliates. So just to kind of cover what we've done, all we did is we filled out the form, and the form created a contact record as well as an affiliate record, and the two are linked together. So here's my contact, here's my affiliate, which is assigned to that contact. And if you weren't using Membarium, typically you would send people into the affiliate kind of back office, and you can go and see what that looks like by clicking login and go back there. But the main issue with that, if I go ahead and do it, is that the resources are not, they're not the greatest, and it's just because Infusion hasn't really updated this for several years. But if someone knows what affiliates are and referral partners and they're really familiar with it, they'll probably figure it out. However, if they don't know, it can be a little confusing. So for example, I could go to link generator, and there'd be these links here, but there's also all this other stuff about ads and generating links. And again, if your affiliate's not, really good on the internet, this might throw them a little bit. So instead what we do is we model these links. So you can see all these links, they have test LDA, and that's because that's my affiliate code. If I look over here, it says referral partner code test LDA. And this little test LDA, this is what we're pulling into the page. So over here in our affiliate resources, that's what this is pulling in. So memb affiliate fields affiliate code, we'll merge that in. And let's go back to our test person and follow this all the way through. So here is the test contact. Hopefully by now the campaign steps have run. Yep. So you can see they had signed up, the action set, the HTTP post. It sent them their login details. Let's go in there. And here's our link. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. I'll come over here and I'll paste it. So again, in the test scenario, I filled out the form, I got a thanks page. It said, oh, go to your email and click the link. Here's the link. I'll go ahead and load it. And you can see it sends me to my affiliate resources, or this would be your affiliate. And they'd see, oh, okay, I've got these links that I can click on. And I also have this button, Open Affiliate Dashboard. So again, that button comes from this shortcode right there, memb affiliate login. And so still for this user, I've not sent them their affiliate, or in other words, their referral partner information. I just sent them their regular membership information that's assigned to the contact record. But because the contact is associated to the affiliate, it will pull in their info. You can see it also merged in the test LDA to these links. So if I click Open Affiliate Dashboard, it's going to pop open another tab. It's going to put me in here. And one of the main things I want to do in here is I want to look at, let's say, my link tracking stats. So you can see right now I have no clicks, but if I come over here and I try these links, which I don't think they go anywhere useful, so I'll just click a few of them. Yeah, they just go to some site. So I'll close those, but what you can see is these links work, and when I come over to my stats and I search again, I should be able to see, and I was going to say see some stats here, but I think WordPress, when I linked these, messed up my code a little, so let me just get rid of this little %20 thing. This lovely little quote. The little WordPress editor likes to play with these every now and then, and we don't really want that. So I want this to be clean instead of messed up. Let me go ahead and update that. Okay, now I'll go back over and I will refresh this. There we go. Now you can see it fixed my link. So now when I click the link and I go into it, it actually does the big merge and the redirect. And now if I go to my link tracking stats, you can see it shows a hit. So I test that one, I test this one, they happen to be the same. But if they were different, you would see it here, you'd see it reflected here. Now a lot of people don't know this, but you can randomly generate ad codes. And so I might come in here, and on the back of the link, I might put something like Facebook. So this is my Facebook link, and I'd have to put it on the link and kind of the visual representation of the link. And then let's say on this one, it was my Twitter, and I'll just use these as examples. But I'm basically saying, both links go to the same place, but one is for tracking on Facebook, one is for tracking on Twitter. So I could say Facebook, and here I could say Twitter, and I'll update that, and I'll come back over and I'll refresh this page. So it's saying, okay, here's your Facebook link, here's your Twitter link, so let's open both of those. And now when I go to my link tracking stats and hit search, you'll actually see, okay, there were 2 hits with no ad. There's one for Facebook, one for Twitter, and it's all to the same page. It's all to the same redirect. And these redirects, if you're not familiar with them, they're found underneath. If I go into Infusion, we'll use this window here. They're actually found underneath CRM. You have to go down to, well, really anything on here will reload the horizontal menu. And on the horizontal menu, if you drop down, there are your referral tracking links. So if I created a new one, I could put any final destination like yoursite.com, you give it a little code and a title, and it's the code itself that becomes part of the link. So if I wanted to make one right now, let's say to membarium.com, and I said, okay, membarium, and I said code would be membarium, address would be membarium.com. It doesn't need to be to a referral partner. We could put it in all the programs. This really determines which links show up in the Infusionsoft backend, so once you start doing this, it's not quite as relevant. So I could even deselect everything and just hit save. But now that I have a redirect set up, I could go add it. So I'd say, okay, here's a Facebook link, and now what I want is a Facebook link for membarium. And so right here, this is the code part of the link, and there it is again. And the reason I'm showing the full text link is some people are going to come back here, and instead of clicking it, they're going to copy it. They're going to say, oh, this is the link that I'm going to go copy and put in my email, or copy and put in my tweet, or whatever. But again, we're adding a little membarium link here, so Facebook link for membarium, and I'm going to go ahead and copy it, and I'm even going to say this is just for fun here, I'll just say swipe copy. So I'd say here, and this is why I said you can do whatever you want once you're in here, because the whole thing is making the link itself dynamic. So I'd say swipe copy from Membarium, and then I'd say, hi. We're going to kind of fill this out. Hi, Membarium is awesome. You should try it. Click the link below to learn more. And then I could come down, and because again we're in WordPress, we can do all sorts of fun stuff. So we can say thanks, and then we could merge the name here actually. So you can create an email for your client to copy and paste somewhere and include their own info in it. So I'd say mem contact fields equals first name, and let me go ahead and update that page, and then we'll check it out on this side. So I'll hit refresh. And so you can see there's my Facebook, my Twitter, my Facebook link from Membarium, and here's even my swipe copy. So if I was this test LDA, I could just grab this whole thing and copy and paste it and go use it because it's embedded with this Membarium Facebook link and my info. So if I test that link, you can see it forwards all the way through to Membarium. And in my link tracking stats, if I hit search, you can see, oh, someone clicked on my Membarium Facebook link one time. They didn't opt in, they didn't buy. And so that's the gist of it. You basically put them into the site as a member, and then you can display their resources however you want. You can merge their stuff into them, you can create swipe copy, you can even do sample tweets, sample Facebook posts, because ultimately you're always building an affiliate link, merging in the affiliate code or the referral partner code of the user who's logged into the site. I hope that was helpful and explains a little bit of it, but again, going back to the beginning, it's the same as any other membership thing. It just so happens that this one creates an affiliate, and as long as within my site I've got maybe an affiliate tag so I can decide who gets access to the resources, I am syncing the affiliate records, and then in my page I'm using the shortcodes, I can put together a really nice affiliate program in here, and you can get pretty crazy. Like you can have images in here, which is nice, and that's a big thing. Because again, typically people would go into this Infusionsoft backend and they'd go try to do like an email template. This stuff gets weird. So who's driving the traffic? Well, I am. Where's it going? What page? Okay. What ad? You know, and you as the Infusion app administrator would have to have created all this for them to even get in and start messing with this. But it's nicer over here because I've got one affiliate resources page, but you know what? You could have links. There could be a link here to affiliate emails, which would be a whole page just full of swipe copy of various kinds that's already pre-embedded with their information and their links. Hopefully this was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thanks again for using Membarium.